Hey there, security pros. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a complete step-by-step guide for experienced professionals preparing for the PSP certification by ASIS International. Let's walk through this like a mission, step by step. Step 1. Treat your PSP prep like a real project. You've managed security projects before. This is no different. Here's how to run your prep like a mission. Set a timeline. 8 to 12 weeks is a solid window. Break it into 3 domains: risk assessment, security design, and security operations. Use tools like Trello, Notion, or just a whiteboard, whatever keeps you on track. Block time weekly, 2 focused study sessions and 1 practice/review session. Add milestones, domain 1 done by week 3, full practice test by week 6, etc. Don't just try to study, manage it like an operation. Step 2. Focus on big picture application, not just definitions. This isn't about reciting what a bollard is. It's about knowing when, where, and why to use one. Here's how to level up your thinking. Compare solutions: card readers versus biometric for secure labs. Pros, cons, costs. Prioritize risks. If budget is tight, what do you protect first? Data, people, or equipment? Think contextually. Airports versus hospitals versus banks. How do needs change? The exam wants strategic thinking, not textbook answers. Step 3. Master the key standards, but don't memorize everything. You need to know the what and the why behind industry standards. Focus on NFPA 730/731, Design and Installation of Security Systems; UL 294, Performance of Access Control Systems; ISO 3100, Risk Management Framework; ASIS Guidelines, like General Security Risk Assessment. Pro tip: create a one-pager for each standard with what it covers, where it applies, why it matters in the field. Step 4. Train with scenarios and situational thinking. Most questions on the PSP exam are real-world scenarios, not pure theory. Practice like this. Take a site, factory, mall, hospital, and ask, what's the biggest risk? What access control would I recommend? How would I monitor and respond to incidents? Join a PSP study group or forums, like Reddit or ASIS Connects, to swap cases. Use flashcards, but turn them into why questions, not just what. The better you think on your feet, the more confident you'll feel. Step 5. Simulate the real exam again and again. You don't want exam day to feel like the first time you see a question format. Here's how to build test day readiness. Take at least 3 full mock exams under timed conditions. Review every question you got wrong and write down why. Watch for your habits. Do you rush? Do you overthink? Do you second guess? Practice using elimination logic. Narrow down 4 choices to the best 1 or 2. This will boost your speed and your confidence. So, let's recap your expert plan for PSP. Treat it like a project. Think like a strategist. Know your standards. Train with scenarios. Simulate the real exam. You're not just prepping for a test. You're sharpening your career edge. If this helped, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and comment below if you want deeper dives into any of the domains or tools we mentioned today.